and our template maker allows you to customize in minutes. For instance, if you wish to customize this client pitch deck, simply double-click on the background image or logo and replace it with your own. Great elevator pitches are similar to memorable stories. They blend visuals and narrative to keep the audience engaged. Nonetheless, a business pitch is the first thing you need to start your business. Hello everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. In today's video, I will explain how the business pitch works, introduce the most suitable business pitch templates for you, and demonstrate how to effortlessly design your business pitch template using Venngage. So let's get started. For those of you who may not be familiar, a business pitch is a concise and compelling presentation delivered to potential investors, clients, or partners. Its purpose is to communicate the value proposition of a business idea, product, or service. The primary goal of a business pitch is to persuade your audience to take a specific action, such as investing in the business, partnering with the company, or purchasing a product or service. When crafting a business pitch, always remember that a well-crafted presentation should be clear, concise, and tailored to the specific needs and interests of the target audience. It should effectively communicate the value proposition and potential of the business idea, leaving a lasting impression on the audience. Now, let's talk about examples of business pitches. First, let's discuss the elevator pitch, which should address the most significant business concern, the sales funnel. This simple pitch deck example gets to the core of the business problem. It's brief, concise, and to the point, designed to maintain the interest of prospective clients. The template's simple and minimalist-inspired design makes it easy to customize for any brand completely. You can swap out the gradient panels and add brand-relevant product images instead. This unconventional pitch deck uses icons to weave a compelling narrative. Visuals can enhance presentation decks, making them aesthetically pleasing and engaging. Elevator pitch decks concentrate on delivering concise, one-minute proposals to persuade potential investors that you possess something valuable. This investor pitch deck example is well-suited for a startup elevator pitch. With just 5 slides, this deck facilitates a quick overview of your business model. When utilizing the Venngage template, customization becomes very handy. Venngage offers a variety of templates to fulfill your business needs, and our template maker allows you to customize in minutes. For instance, if you wish to customize this client pitch deck, simply double-click on the background image or logo and replace it with your own. Adjust the size accordingly. Choose icons that best suit your agenda. Utilize maps to enhance and provide more context to your pitch. It's important to showcase this mastermind behind this business pitch, so add your professional photo or headshot in this section. Finally, stylize your business pitch by incorporating suitable colors. And there you have it. Your business pitch is ready. Try creating your own business pitch with Venngage. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow Venngage on all social media for regular updates, and we'll see you in the next video.